Hi, this is Bryce doing a quick video from Tacoma Paving today, and today we're going to be talking about driveway paving. So we are a premier driveway paver. We also do parking lots, but we want to focus on driveways today. So if you have a driveway, whether it's asphalt or concrete, whether it's a short or a long driveway, steep driveway, flat driveway that you need to worry about drainage, we can help with all those situations. We can do resurfacing, resealing, we can rip everything out, regrade it, apply a subgrade gravel, and then pave back over that as well. If you have any questions at all about your paving project and want us to come take a look at your driveway, give us a call. We'll be happy to send one of our crew out there and answer any questions that you have and provide you a free estimate on the work. So thank you so much. We look forward to talking to you soon.